Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube. Today we are going to be checking out the one and only CKB, baby. So let's get into this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are going to be talking about the lovely one and only CKB. Now, this thing's really been just kind of trading sideways since July 21st. We can just see that right now we have currently broken out of a symmetrical triangle. So this is pretty good news to see. On the 4-hour chart, we're breaking through this 200 moving average. So I'm hoping that we will find our way back up to this 0.0046-ish level. That would be amazing. If things fall out and we see a bubble pop here, look for the 0.003365-ish area. Let's just look at this on a daily. So I do think that we will probably get a little bit of a resistance point before this 0.004633-ish level, and I think it's gonna be this little 50 moving average. So we might see price shoot right up to this 50 moving average, and there is this possibility, folks, that we could see some sort of a rejection here at this 50 moving average and the Ichimoku cloud. Like I was saying in the last video, this is a very thick portion of the Ichimoku cloud. But what are we doing here, folks? What are we really kind of looking for when it comes to the bigger picture? Now, let's just say we get rejected at this 50 moving average. This would give us a little bit of an opportunity almost to really extend out some sort of ascending triangle or something like that. And it might give us a little bit of juice to try to travel through this Ichimoku cloud and end up on top of it somewhere down here, perhaps late July, somewhere in there. Otherwise, we could kind of see maybe this little ascending triangle fill out like this, and price might try to sneak through the Ichimoku cloud late July like that. So I do think that there might be just this setup right now for some sort of ascending triangle play, something like that. You could almost make the argument that there is a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders here ready to form. I do think that we have a pretty clean neckline there, so we'll just have to kind of wait and see. But those are my two predictions as to what could possibly be happening here. It does look like on the daily chart, RSI sitting at a cool 50, so it's not overbought or oversold in a sense. So it's going to be interesting to see what exactly happens here. If we break through the Ichimoku cloud, folks, this is going to be a wonderful thing. We can look for this this 0.005674-ish level, the 0.006659-ish level, somewhere in there. So that will be very interesting to say the least. But really, folks, there's not a whole lot that I can tell you about CKB right now because we're still just kind of trading sideways, and this is just going to be one of those short and sweet videos on CKB. But we're going to look at Bitcoin here in just a second. If you haven't already, check out my video I just released today, folks, on the Oblivion NFT marketplace. So Oblivion is a new marketplace in the NFT marketplace in the Nervos network ecosystem. So right now on the daily chart, we can see that Bitcoin had the symmetrical triangle squeeze, just like CKB. And we can see that I think that Bitcoin is going to come right up and maybe test on this 50 moving average. My guess is right around this $24,500 to $25,000-ish level. If we break through that and we can break through this Ichimoku cloud here, that's going to be great because then we might get a retest of like this $36,000 level somewhere up at the 730-day moving average or 200-day moving average. Now, what I said last time on Bitcoin, folks, when the 200 moving average death crossed the 730, really around this time was the last bear market reversal. So we're getting the same thing right now, and we're hoping that this is the turnaround of a bear market, possibly right now. So it is what it is. The market's been crazy, and Bitcoin looks like it might be getting ready to do a little bouncy bounce here. Let's just look at this on the weekly chart, of course. And you know what? I think that price action is just too far away from this Ichimoku cloud right now. But we'll just have to wait and see what happens. This could get nastier. We could see this 50 moving average really start curving down and really pummeling Bitcoin downwards. So I know a lot of people are calling for, you know, that $10,000, $12,000 Bitcoin. I could totally see that. Definitely maybe around this, you know, 13, 14,000 ish level, for sure. If we get a wick down that way, I think the crypto market is going to be in some intense suffering, folks. So thanks again for watching the video. If you're interested in other Nervos network ecosystem videos, I'll pin them at the end screen. Blah, blah, blah. I can't even talk. So we'll see you guys all on the next video.